Like and subscribe. Christmas Adventure. Once upon a time, in a cosy house in Australia, there lived a cheerful girl named Lina and her loyal friend, her dog Pancho. It was Christmas Eve and something extraordinary was about to happen. Lina and Pancho were excited, decorating the tree and baking cookies for Santa Claus. As night fell, Lina could hardly contain her excitement, eagerly awaiting the special visit from the jolly old man. Upon hearing a strange noise, Pancho began barking loudly. Lina's parents continued to sleep, but she, curious, went to see what was happening. Upon entering the living room, she found Santa Claus sitting on the couch, looking tired and hot. Lina calmed Pancho and offered water to Santa Claus, who thanked her with a smile. He explained that the intense heat in Australia had taken a toll on him. Still worried about delivering the presents, Santa Claus mentioned that he needed someone's help. Brave and generous, Lina offered to assist. In gratitude, Santa Claus granted Lina and Pancho magical powers to deliver presents worldwide that night. Together, Lina and Pancho flew through the skies, visiting homes and leaving gifts for children everywhere. They met smiling and enchanted children, bringing joy to every household. At the end of the night, Lina and Pancho returned home and told Santa Claus about their accomplished mission. He thanked them and as a reward gave a delicious bone to Pancho. He bid farewell to Lina and left in his sleigh, saying, "Ho, ho, ho!" When Lina woke up on Christmas morning, she thought it had all been a dream. As she went downstairs for breakfast, her mother, Raquel, noticed the red hat that Lina was wearing and asked where she had gotten it. Lina smiled, looked at Pancho and said, "It's a Christmas miracle, Mum." This story is a Christmas present from the Fable Factory for a real girl who lives in Australia. Merry Christmas, Lina and Pancho.
Ho, ho, ho!
If you would like to appear in one of our stories as a character, send us an email telling us a little bit about yourself and what you want your story to be about. We'll choose the best ideas and write a story especially for you. Our email address is storytelling581@gmail.com. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We release a new video every Sunday and you don't want to miss out. Goodbye!
The Fable Factory.